Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to change your Pinterest password through your mobile application. Now first of all, open a Pinterest app in your mobile device. Once you are inside the Pinterest homepage, you tap on the profile icon on the right side. Now there you can see the hexagonal shape at the top of the right side. Here that means the settings icon. Tap on it. Inside setting you can see your personal information account section where you can see account settings. Tap open it. Now through here you can change your password for Pinterest. There just below email you can see password. Tap on it. Before you make changes or update your password, you need to provide the current password of your account. You tap on the first text field and type in your current password for your account. After that, you tap below and provide a new password for your account. I'm going to type in a new password for my account. And below confirm new password. Here you need to type in the same password that you have typed in beginning. Once it's done and you're all set, you tap on done on the right side. And just like that, password updated. You have very easily updated your password from the previous one to the new one. Hope this video was useful to you on how you can change your password in Pinterest. Please like and subscribe the Login Aid channel and do click on the bell icon for the notification. Thank you.